Hey, Jed George here, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. What I'd like to show you is some training on how to use the tools inside the Conversion Pros, and specifically, I want to show you how to send a broadcast message out to your subscribers. Now, you're probably thinking, hang on, Jed, I already know how to do that. The training's already there. You simply just go to the broadcast area and send a message out. Yes, correct. However, if you have multiple lists inside your autoresponder, then it can be quite time consuming by going to each one of those lists and sending out the same broadcast message to each one of those lists. Okay. Now, why would you have multiple lists? Quite simply, you may have multiple sales funnels that perhaps promote all the same thing, but from a different type of angle. Okay. Like myself, I do have multiple lists. I do promote the same thing to each one of those lists, but in different types of angles. And over time, obviously, you start having multiple lists, and you want to, daily want to send a message out to your entire subscribers. But as I said, it can be quite time-consuming going through each one of those lists and sending out that same email. Okay, so I'll give you an example of what I mean. Okay, so let's go to my autoresponder builder, and as you can see, I've got multiple lists, right? Okay, so you've got multiple lists. All right, so if I wanted to send the message out to all of my subscribers, I would have to go inside each one of those and basically send a broadcast to each one of those lists. Okay, that's the time-consuming way. However, there is a fast way to do it. All right, and I want to show you exactly how to do that. So the first step would be to create another list. I know that sounds strange, but just follow along and you'll learn. You know exactly what I mean, why I'm doing that. Okay, so let's call this list your main list. All right, so now I've already done that. As you can see, it's right here. I've called it my main list right there. Okay, now if I was to go inside that main list in terms of the actual email series, there's nothing there, no data at all. But my broadcasts, I've got multiple messages that have gone out. Okay, so I can show you 100 entries. All right, so multiple messages that have gone out. Okay, so what's the point of doing that? So you create your main list, and this is where you're going to store every single contact that you've got in your other lists inside. All right, you're going to put all the contacts that are here in your other list into that main list. That's the first step. Now, how do you do that? Very easy. You go to your contact manager. All right, you scroll down. All right, let's first of all clear everything. And what you're going to do is you're going to first of all select active, and because you don't want to select unsubscribed or inactive, because the reason why is if they've unsubscribed and you do what I'm about to show you, it resubscribes them. We don't want to do that. If they've unsubscribed, see you later, they're not interested. All right, so what you're simply going to do is click active, and then you're going to hit the search button, and what it's going to do is going to go through all your lists that are inside your autoresponder. It's going to basically highlight all of those. All right, now I'm going to black out the names of emails just for privacy, but what we're going to then do is we're going to select all. Click the select all button, it processes, and then as you can see, showing 1 to 10 out of 990 areas. So I've got 990 active subscribers in my entire contact list. All right, next step is to hit the group actions button, and then you're going to click on add to mail campaign. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in main list. Right, once we've done that, we're going to click add, and what it's going to do is going to go through each one of those 990 active contacts, and it's going to add them to that main list that you created inside your autoresponder. Okay, so you're going to go back to your autoresponder, and if I go to my main list, I didn't see the number before, but it would have increased by, because you get multiple subscribers. Okay, then what you're going to do is going to hit the edit button, email broadcast, create a message and type out your message, whatever that is. Make sure you put a reply to your email, and then you're going to hit the subject, and then you're going to click save now, and then that message is going to be sent out to your entire list. Okay, so that way you don't have to go through each one of those lists and send out a message. Okay, that is it. So, you know, if you're someone who's got multiple lists and you're every day going in and sending one by one to each one of those lists, this is going to save you a lot of time. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this training, in this video, and you don't have an account with the Conversion Pros and you're interested in the tools that you can get with this. You can build any business at all, no matter what you're promoting, no matter what business opportunity you're involved in. You can actually use the Conversion Pros to build your email marketing list. It comes with all the lead capture pages, comes with you know, autoresponder builder, and you can get leads and sales for your business. Okay, I'll leave a link below for you to do that, so you can get a free account, 7-day trial with the Conversion Pros, no credit card required. Check out the tools, and I'll actually give you a link to a webinar that you can watch that will talk to you about all the tools inside the system and how it can help you in your business. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.